fuck. Fuck! Turn this shit off! Ah!
Most of the day, I just lay around on the rug, leaving a trail of drool like the ass on a slug. Each task is enough to make me hate the next. I can barely whack off, let alone have sex. My breakfast, microwave popcorn, and porn. If underwear's worn and stained and torn. Never give my seat up, man. I don't care about your baby lady, I'm too lazy to stand. Constantly, not really doing shit. My job's haunting me, I'd rather stew in shit. Don't step foot in the rain, back pain for a little change. It's a strange concept to explain to a guy like me. A sloth, by far, legally changed my name to Snack the Tard. Too lazy to watch the block cut through your yard. Too lazy to touch my fucking cock when it's hard. Yo, I'm lazy. Too lazy to cook. Too lazy to write rhymes or even a hook. Man, I'm lazy. Too lazy to talk. So I'ma sit silent with my hand on my cock. Man, I'm lazy. Too lazy to rap. Too lazy to wipe my ass after a crap. I'm fucking lazy. And I don't care why. Just sit down, get high, and let time fly. Yeah, young Snack never was a happy camper, smelling like them filthy panties in your fucking hamper. When I was 15, I still wore a pamper. Now I'm 26, I'm taking shits on a sampler. Got chubby tits from McDicks and potato chips. I'm too lazy to exfoliate my sins. I'm pretty bad with minuscule tasks like brushing my chaps and cleaning the crack of my ass. Fuck it though, I don't do chores, don't hold no doors to impress those whores. Pews grow thick, don't use pitch stick. No nutritional intake, got me fat and sick, rapping quick. Not this fella, find me in the bubble bath, baked, sipping a Stella. Hella mistakes, I'm a real bad smeller. Too lazy to rap on beats, I even knock